Hi, welcome to Hard Reset Info channel viewers. In front of me Xiaomi Smart Airfryer 6 and 5, and now I'm going to show you how to control this device using the smart ring. So first thing you need to understand. So to move left right, you just need to scroll your ring left or right. As you can see, you can rotate it left and right. To select something, for example, defrost mode, you just need to click on the center of the ring. Then to select the time, for example, and defrost started. To pause your device, you just need to press once on the ring, and now as you can see, my program was paused. But to go back, you don't need to disable device and enable again. You just need to press and hold on the ring and press and hold again. Press and hold, click yes, I want to cancel, and screw, it's okay. And for example, you open in settings, you press on that, and if you want to go back to programs, press and hold, and now we are on the first main menu. Thanks for watching, like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you!